Today we're doing a cabin filter on a 2022 Honda Civic. It's going to be located behind your glove box, so we're going to drop this glove box down. First thing we're going to do is disconnect the damper here. All we got to do is push it, and it disconnects like that. We're going to move it out of the way. Stoppers here, push the glove box in, pull the glove box down a little bit to get it around that. Do it on both sides, and then it'll come down, okay? And once it comes down, you can pull it off out of the way. This is how the hinge looks. You go to pull it off like that. Alright. Then we're going to take this door off. Just push this in, pull towards us. Same thing on this side here. Push in, take it off. And then you can pull out the filter. Just grab the side of it. This one's not a factory filter, I don't think. I don't want to drop any of the stuff. Alright. So if you need a filter, check the description box. I'll have a link that takes you to Amazon where you can get a new filter. So with aftermarket filters, you notice here that we have arrows, okay? This is airflow. And airflow is always going to be down, okay? If you look, filter is full of trash on top. It's because the airflow is moving down through it, okay? So I'm going to flip this guy over like so. It slides right in. That filter fits a lot better than the one that was in here. We get our cover, we snap it on. Glove box, line up the hinges. Let me just close the box, and we just get the damper, and we just hook it back up. Okay, like that, and we're all done. Hope the video was helpful for once. Appreciate it. Hit that like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and hope to see you again in another video.